If you want to download and install VLC Media on your PC, you can search for VLC for PC on Google. Then click on this first search result. It will take you to this page. Then download this zip package. Just click here and download this zip package. So you can see that downloading file. You can check the details. So after I finish downloading, go to the folder. So inside this folder, you see that it's a zip file. So just right click on it and extract all. So you browse and select the destination where you want it to be extracted. So I'll extract it to this folder. So select folder, then extract. So wait patiently for it to finish extracting. So after the extraction, you can now click on this folder. Then you browse to VLC application. So now click on the VLC application here and click continue. So to test the VLC media, to test the application, go to media, go to open file, then browse to a music file on your computer and play it. Press Ctrl+K to stop the music in VLC. So that is how you install VLC on Windows 10 machine.